No, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. To say I know where it is. I know where it is. Let's use our familiar sound alike helper to break this down. Ah, ma'am. Ma'am. Ebe odi. Ebe odi. So can we bring everything together and say it faster? Amam ebe odi. Amam ebe odi. So in Igbo, to say I know where it is, you say amam ebe odi. Amam ebe odi. So a quick quiz to test your knowledge. How to say I went to the hospital. Good job. Igbo champion. I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.